Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today.
We are of Alif and Afdan from the Faculty of Teknik and Informatika at the University Bina Sarana Informatika.
Today, we will discuss two important topics in the digital world.
The first topic is malicious program, and the second is the computer hardware.
Both the topics are connected and important for cybersecurity.
Okay, let's begin our presentation.
Okay, definition and context malicious program or malware. First, let me explain what malicious program. Malicious program or malware is software designed to harm computer, network, or user. Malware can steal data, delete file, damage the system, or control your computer without permission. Understanding malware is essential for everyone's security today.
Okay.
Okay, categories of malware. There are several main types of malware. First, a virus. A virus copy itself and spread to other files through shared media or networks. And second, a worm. A worm spread out automatically through networks without user action. It doesn't need to attach to file. Third, Trojan horse. It looks like a normal software, but it contains hidden malicious code. We also have a ransomware that looks your data and asks for a payment. Spyware that basically monitor your activity, and rootkits that gains deep system access. Okay. Impact of malware. A malware can cause a serious problems. For individuals, it can slow down a computer, delete important files, and steal a personal information. This can lead to identity theft or financial loss. For organization, malware can cause data breach and expose customer information. The costs include a recovery, fines, and damage to reputation. In sector like healthcare and finance, malware attack can dangerous life and disrupt essential service. No organization is safe from the street. Okay. Okay. Prevents and best practice. How can we protect our system from malware? First, install a good antivirus software and keep it updated. Second, be careful when browsing. Don't click a suspicious link or download file from unknown source. And third, update your operation system and application regularly. This update to fix security problem. Fourth, use strong password and enable multi-factor authentication. And finally, backup your important data regularly. This protect you from ransomware attack. Okay, that's all about a malicious program. Now Afdan will explain the computer hardware.
Okay, thank you, Alif. Let's start about the physical part of the computer. Well, talking about the hardware, what a definition of hardware. The computer hardware is the physical part of the computer that we can see and touch. Unlike software, which is programmed in the data, hardware is the actual equipment. Hardware affect computer performance, security, and reliability. Malware can target hardware weaknesses, so understanding hardware is important for security. Next slide. What main hardware component? Let me explain. The main hardware component, like the first, is the CPU. The Our processor is the brain of the computer. It processes all the data and runs the program. For the modern CPUs, have multiplied core for the fastest performance. The second one is the RAM, is the temporary memory. It stores data while the computer is running. RAM is fast but loses data when you turn off the computer. Uh, Different from the RAM, we have storage device like hard drive and SSD. Keep your data permanently. SSD are faster and more reliability than traditional hard drive. Other important parts include the motherboard that connect everything, the power supply and cooling system like fan. And the next slide, we're talking about input and output device. Uh, Hardware also included input and output device. Input device let you send command to the computer. Explains our keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, and microphone. Output device so show information from the computer. Examples are monitor, speaker, and printer. Modern devices connect through USB, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi for easy data transport. And remember, a peripheral device can also be security risk. Infected USB drive or keyboard can spread malware. And the next slide. What hardware role in the performance and security? Hardware is important for both performance and security. A good hardware makes your computer faster and more efficient. It supports multitasking and heavy application. And quality hardware lasts longest and has fewer problems. For security, modern hardware has features like TPM 2.0 and a hardware encryption that protect against attacks. All old or damaged hardware can have security problems that antivirus cannot fix. That's why you should keep your hardware updated and well maintained. And understanding both malware and hardware is key to staying safe online. Uh,
Okay. Okay. To conclusion, we have discussed two important topics today. Malicious programs are a real threat that require constant awareness and update protection.
and the hardware computer is the foundation of all computing. Good hardware, when properly maintained, provides both performance and security.
Remember, good cybersecurity needs both software and hardware protection.
We encourage you to apply this knowledge in your daily computer use. Stay informed, keep your system updated, and practice safe computing. Thank you for attention. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you for your attention.